Hello everyone and welcome to Switzerland. Today we're going to be doing a demonstration of the two payload systems that we'll be looking to integrate. We have this one here running on the X8, that is the MAX system, and that's rated for about 4 kilograms at the moment. We also have this guy here who is the 1 kilogram system. And we'll be doing demonstrations of how the payload system works and how best to use it. Hi guys, it's Ewan again. This is a quick introduction of what the payload system actually is. Essentially the payload system is what they call an EPM, Electro Permanent Magnet, and it looks like this. It's designed to change its state and hold its state with minimal power after the state has been changed. So I can magnetize it, it will stay magnetized even if I don't apply current to it. It attaches to a simple metal plate like this, and that is the principle. Okay guys, this is the instructions on how you operate the system. Now, for both payload systems, the MAX or the 1 kilogram system, you need a 5-volt input and a PWM signal. Now, for the 1 kilogram system, the easiest way to do this is to attach it to your receiver and power it that way. The safest option is to use a BEC and a single signal wire out to your receiver. So you're still going to need one channel on your receiver at all times, but you need a nice consistent 5 volts to the unit. On this MAX system, you will need a BEC because the amp draw is quite high. So, how do you operate it? Well, you need a 3-position switch on your radio and one free channel, as we mentioned, on your receiver. And this is how you work it. Your one button to charge, one button's to maintain position, and the other position is to release. So let's do this. Let's load it up. Line the cargo up to magnets so the plates line up. You then press the switch. You'll hear it click. It will repeat clicking until you center it back to the normal position. Center it back to normal position, and it will now stay in position. And that's what you will normally fly in, is that position. Now, when you get to your destination, just press the switch and it releases. Hey guys, this is the demonstration of the simplest way of doing a payload delivery. It's the full manual way of doing it. Now, it's quite simple. You basically fly the copter as you would do normally. So I will arm, and we're going to take off and stabilize. This is after all an RD copter. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in loiter. Now, how you fly to your destination is entirely up to you. But what I would suggest is something like a loiter program when you get above the target, because you need the fine resolution to be able to land the package as closely as you can to your victim. So I will fly this over. Now, the trick to here is using the camera. Good, see? The trick here is to use the camera when you get above the target. Now, the down-facing camera is really good for getting stuff really close and accurate. So, I'm pretty happy that I am right on top of the victim. So what I'll do now is I will just release. And that's it. Payload delivered. So, return to base, and that's you. Okay, so we are back at the desk, and what we're going to do now is download the save waypoint that we recorded when we flew out to the victim the first time. So quite simple within, I'm using the APM system just now, but you can use a similar one here. And what I can do is I can read the waypoints. So as you can see, we have now got the waypoint programmed. And now it's a really simple matter of setting up your extra waypoints. So we can take off, we can set the altitude to 10 meters, set that to 3, and there we are. Now, we write the waypoints to the craft, and that's it. Now I haven't specified a land one, do what we need to do. So we have got the normal arming sequence for an RG-copter. We engage auto. So that's auto away. Okay, now we're still on automatic here, and what we simply do is we disengage the payload. That's it there, that's it done, and that's us. The mission is complete.